How to quickly batch create multiple YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and/or Reels. Let's get into it. It is much easier than you think using AI tools. So first you're going to use this prompt, which I can provide it in the description of the video on YouTube, or if you want it for me, just let me know on TikTok, Instagram, whatever, and I can DM it to you. But basically you just tell it to create a column chart. You give it some examples. You want 3 columns: topic, part 1, part 2. For me, for some reason, it didn't give me the column option, which happens sometimes with AI technology. It's not perfect, so I just typed in it again. Make sure the format is a 3-column table, column 1 being the topic, part 1, part 2. So then it spits out this. It gave me 25 and 25, which was fine because I batch edited 2 different sets. But in this video, I'm just going to show you the first set here. So and then do so for the last 25. Make sure it gives you that last 25 if it doesn't give you all 50 at once, like it sometimes should. And this is using ChatGPT. Then we're going to go over to Canva, canva.com, and go to Create Design Mobile Video. We're going to pick a background for that video. It could be anything. I chose this. Then you're going to add text, add title. For the title, write topic in there. And then you're going to go and you're going to add 2 other sets of text. One is going to say part 1, one is going to say part 2. You'll see that here in a second. So there's part 1. Then I'm just going to kind of try to make it bigger, make sure that when I put in my data, it shows up as formatted as it can be. Sometimes you have to go back and edit it, and that's fine. So we're going to do part 1, give it some space to be a full line of text. Then we're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it, and then we're going to label that one part 2. I do it that way just to make sure that they're the same exact size and format. And again, this is on Canva, so next we're going to go back to ChatGPT, and we're going to copy this table. We're going to just copy it to our clipboard and go back to Canva yet again. And then you're going to go over to apps, and under apps, you're going to see batch edit, or bulk create, I should say. And you're going to enter data manually, add that 3rd column, and then just paste it there. And then you're going to hit OK. You're going to have to link this to the data. So you're going to have to click on it, go connect data, connect topic to topic, part 1 to part 1, and part 2 to part 2, of course. And once you've done that, you're going to want to work on the timing to make sure part 1 is first and then part 2 goes next. So for that, you'll just have to click on it and click those 3 dots and then go to show timing, drag the timing to where you want it to be. Halfway for part 1, halfway for part 2 tends to work well. And again, I did a 6-second video just because that is what performs well on these shorts and as a TikTok as well. So then we're going to do that for part 2. And you can tell it's connected to the data when it's in those brackets. So after all that's done, we're going to move part 2 over part 1 because it's going to be 2 different times we want the text to line up to where the text was previously. So part 1 and part 2 in the same place. Then you're going to generate the designs. And Canva's going to quickly batch edit all of that for you and create 56 different variations, or however many you put in there. I thought I put 25. I must have copied all 50 and then some extra text by accident. But anyways, you get the point. So we're going to generate those 56 designs. Alright, and then you'll see once it's generated that it shows all of these different videos. You can watch them, make sure the text and all that lines up, edit them as needed. And then make sure you go up to share and you click on this download separate files. So they're all separate videos when you save them to your computer, download. And that's that. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Drop it in the comment section. Thank you.